Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to HumbleFx, and today we're talking about the crazy boom and crash strategy or indicator that we discussed last time. All right, today I want to trade on a live account because last time people were telling me on my DM that I should do a video while taking a live trade. So today I want to take live trade. As you can see right now, I'm in a trade on crash 500 and also on a trade on boom 500. Guys, that is what we are right now. We are on a trade and this is a live account, guys. So I'll show you the results at the end of the video. So guys, this is a live trade using the crazy new boom and crash indicator that I have brought to you guys in the last few days. Okay, this is to show you guys the efficacy and the effectiveness of this. Now, why did I take that entry in that place? Now look at that particular place. You see that circled red has come out, and the customized MACD has also changed from green to red. And on our window indicator we have the red and the blue line crossing that side. Okay, you see, even though we had late entry because I didn't see it early enough, we have got enough. We are getting nice entry right at that point. Yeah, that is our entry. Once we see these three things measured, the first thing you want to see is that you want to see that circle red if you are selling the boom. If you are buying the crash, you want to see the circle green, and also you want to see the customized MACD changing from green to red if you are selling, and from red to green if you are buying. And then the third thing you want to check out is the window indicator. If it is crossing the red and the blue is crossing themselves, right? Okay, that is another entry. Then if you want to take more longer trade is when both the red and the blue is crossing below the awesome oscillator. This will make you have a very good trade, guys. That will make you have a very nice trade setup. Okay, so let us see what we got in this trade. Let us see how far we are going to go in this particular market. Right, so let's watch it and watch out. So guys, if you are still doubting this indicator, you're actually doing yourself a very big harm, because this indicator is super good, super awesome, super effective, guys. Okay, you will see that in the live account, and you see my trade running in good profit already. Like I told you guys, you take your TP at when you have up to 10 to 20 candlesticks, you take your TP at that point. And as you see here, we had a little spike, but guess what? Because we already have our entry, we do not fear about that. And this is it, we have already come back to profit, guys. And this indicator does not repaint. It does not repent, not even for once. As you can see that all the arrows that appeared, they don't change, they don't disappear when the markets go against it. They don't disappear. That is how to show that they are strongly following the trading principles. They don't repent at all. So this doesn't mean that spike will not catch you in. If you are going against spike, that doesn't mean that spike won't catch you, right? Okay, but the beauty is that once you have a setup that already met, then you don't want to be afraid of whether you are going to lose or not, because you know that the market will actually come back to your favor if the setup has been met already. So you don't have to fear, you don't have any reason to be afraid of loss, because you are actually going to recover everything if at all you got caught by a spike, right? That is how simple and easy that can be. Right, so you see that there was a spike on that boom 500, but we kept on holding our trade. Okay, we kept on holding our trade because we don't want to end in loss. Now this is crash 500 as well. You will see my trade already. Now look at the entries there, look at the circled green. Okay, this point in time we have a different scenario, even though they are the same scenario but in different format, right? Cool. Now This is still Boom 500. Now you see that the OS has crossed the awesome center below. At that point we have a longer sell of the trade. Right now you see that it's crossed actually below the awesome oscillator. That shows us that we're supposed to take a buy, that is to catch spike. We want to catch spike right now with that. So yeah, let us catch that spike. Let us catch that spike right away. Now this is crash 300, as you can see there. That is crash 300, and everything you see working here is actually something that has been tested and proven. So you don't want to miss out on this offer that is going around everybody. Right, so you just get the indicator today at 90% discount and enjoy your trading experience. It's that very simple, guys. That is very simple, guys. You don't all you need to do is just to get your boat at 90% discount. You see that massive movement. In that crash 300. That is actually amazing. Very amazing, guys. Right, let us check back to crash 500 and see what is happening there. Now, guys, now this is crash 500. It is still going in our favor, and we are expecting a push up that will give us a very nice entry, very nice profit. Okay, that is how simple, guys, it is. So for you to get the indicator, please check on this video, check on the video the description. You'll see the link to my Telegram handle or WhatsApp. Send me a message on WhatsApp or on Telegram, and you get the indicator right away from there, guys. That is how simple this thing can be, guys. Alright, just send me a message on Telegram or on WhatsApp, and you'll be able to get this at a very reduced price. Or you can check on the video description. You will see a link where you can buy and use my